So this next one is from DrHax. This one's an interesting one. So I'm going to cover this one because it's not really the traditional portfolio that we get. So first off, white background, don't do that. It's just really hard to look at because, you know, all of us nerds, we need the dark background. And then I guess why I'm looking at this is because, like, what I'm seeing looks more like you're a designer. More so than an artist. Not because of the art quality or anything, but the stuff you're showing seems to show a really high interest in designing gameplay. Night mode. Night mode. Oh yeah, and be careful with saying better than a game that exists. That's a very easy way for, if you ever apply to that studio and they see this, you're not getting that interview. They're just, it's a weird thing to say. And then not for public but completed. So I think this might be a translation issue, I'm not sure. But not for public would usually mean that I would require a password to see this. I feel like all of these things, this is almost like a blog. And then your .com is hilarious. Indie AF. Yeah. I'm just taking it in. Give me a second here. I don't think so. We're all saying Artstation, right? Because the black background. I mean, changing your background to black and your text to like a gray-white would help. I don't think that this should necessarily go on Artstation because I don't know what you'd be posting. You know what I mean? Because like you'd post these, but this is more about gameplay. It's not about art. It's about like it's about the VR office simulator. You know what I mean? So I think like is being said in chat, is there needs to be some videos, some video reels. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's any videos in here. No, there's no videos in here. Well, there's this. I haven't clicked on that though. Just there's the preview of the next portfolio we're looking at. Let me click on that really quick. If the stream goes down, I've been hacked. Oh. Oh, see? Okay. All right. All right, check this. So the background's still white. Sorry. But this is like, dude, you're a game designer. Yeah, James, you're totally right. Right now there isn't really an outlet for gameplay design other than maybe like modding communities. Game Jolt seems to be some type of way in like that, or like community. Yeah, this is all pretty cool. But yeah, I feel like I can't really say much on this other than we need to find a way to get your background dark. I think that's the only thing I can really say. And I can't really judge your art because I feel like the focus is definitely more on the gameplay. What's itch.io? Actually, Darklin, sorry, Chaos. So I will leave you with that for this review. So I have a buddy who is part of the Mentor Collective, and he is a senior level designer. His name is Ryan Smith. He will eventually be on this stream at some point in the near future. You might want to talk to him. He's good. He knows his stuff. But yeah, I appreciate you sharing this. I just wish I could give you more than what I have. You know what I mean? But yeah, cool, man. I'm gonna switch, and we'll go to the next portfolio.